Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forgy Tech. So today is September 18th 2020, and that is a pretty significant day for us Apple users. So I'm gonna get into this unboxing of the Apple Watch SE. This is a new Apple Watch edition for Apple, and this was released today, the 18th of September 2020. But before I unbox this, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on for more exciting videos like this one. Alright, so this is a typical Apple box. As you can see, same box that the Apple Watch 5 and all the others came in, pretty much, as you can see here. So as you can see, this is a Best Buy bag. So I went to Best Buy this morning and grabbed this. Luckily I got the last one. This is the SE, the GPS and cellular version. So this, you can have this hooked up to your plan, and you can pretty much go about with this and use it without having your iPhone on you. Alright, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with too much talking. I'm gonna get into this unboxing right away. So let's put this bag aside and get to the exciting stuff. So I'm gonna open this, peel the plastic off. Alright, let's see what we have here. So as you can see, typical box from Apple. You got all the different color bands in here. This, they have the new braided ones in here as well, the loop ones, as you can see. If you look in this paper right here, you can see them. So that's not what's important. Let's put that aside and get to what's inside the box. So here we have the band. This is a band that it came with. As you can see, this is the sport band. Has a little bit of pink, orange, and burgundy, as they would say. I would call this burgundy. That's what it looks like here. Alright, so this is what it came with, and this is the 40mm version. They have the 40mm and the 44. This is the 40mm. Alright, so let's open this. Look at the band. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna take this off. Alright, sorry, that's my daughter there in the background. So let's take the band out, see what it looks like, and here it is. Got some little plastic over it right here. Let's take that off, and here's the band. Alright, looks really nice. This looks like a sporty color. As you can see, this can go for both male or female. As you can see, it's a nice band. So let's go ahead now and open the box with the watch itself. And this is the gold version. As you can see, this is the watch. But before I get to that, let me open this side and see what they have. So this is a package with instructions and everything here, as you can see. Alright, let's put that aside. And we also got the USB cable with the charger right here. So it's a wireless charger here for the Apple Watch. So comes with the USB cable and the wireless charger adapter on here. It doesn't come with a USB charger, the brick. It doesn't come with a charging brick, so I'm guessing you just have to use a regular brick to plug this into to get the watch charged up. Alright, put that aside and get to the watch. So here it is. Looks just like the Apple Watch Series 5 from the outside. and this is the gold version, so you can look closely and see. All right, so as you can see, as I said before, this is gold. So I know you're wondering why would this guy be buying a gold watch with this color band, but and 40 millimeter as well, because this is for my wife here, the gold version. So unfortunately, I still have my series 5 right here. Okay, this is a 44 millimeter, and this got updated to the new watch OS 7. So this added the Memoji feature, where you can have your Memoji as your watch face showing the time and the battery percentage on here, so you could modify it as well. So this is a smaller version, the 40 millimeter that I got from my wife here, the gold version with the band here. So sorry about the disturbing sound in the background, that's my daughter playing there. All right, so yeah, this looks really nice. She's gonna love this watch. Unfortunately she got this watch and she didn't get to unbox this watch. I did this, and I did this for you guys to put on my channel, so you could see the unboxing. If you want to get some insights or see this before you go ahead and buy the watch, then you could see it, and hopefully this helps you out. Okay, that's it right there. So let's go ahead and boot this up, see what it looks like. And looking at this screen, it looks really nice in person here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and this is the LTE version. As you can see, it has a red band here around it. All right, so let's leave it right there while it boots up. So here we go. It has the Apple Watch. So it's telling you that you need to restart setup. It's gonna reset it to factory defaults. So we're not gonna get into the setup as yet. I'm gonna leave that for the next video. So this was just a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch SE. So this, as you can see, let me show you again the gold one. If you're pretty much trying to make a decision on what color to get, this, you can see the gold in this video. Someone else probably has another color they unbox on their channel, but as for me, I have the gold one here. So hope this helps you out. If you decided to get the gold and you see it here first, then you can pretty much make your decision, go ahead and get it. And this is the band again. You can take another look on the band. All right, so thank you for watching. Before we get off this video, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and you'll get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. All right, thank you for watching. Peace.